Before the first stone of London was laid, the Igbo had already learned to thank the earth.
They called it IRI JI, the eating of the yam.
We honor those who came before us. Accept this offering and bless our village.
Chineke, before I eat, I remember. Before I prosper, I thank.
Yes. Come and witness history. Come and create memories. Come and celebrate the pride of Ndi Igbo.